Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Sorry I have no makeup right now again because I'm doing DIY today, so we don't need makeup when we do DIY, right? Since I got like more than $20 at Barbie convention this year, so I need to organize more and I have to make more space for putting my Barbie dolls. And here now I have white shelf, but I'm gonna switch to clear shelf so they will look more compact and it should look nicer. I don't know if it was gonna be a fun video or not because I will just changing the shelf, but this is my life. This is my version of Barbie life, like a real Barbie life, you know. So please enjoy watching. And like I always say, don't ask Ken, but we can do this Barbie doll. Let's start. So first, I have to take these things off. My mosquito Barbie is so special because I have Carlisle's signature. He wrote this for me. To Azusa, my exclusive nail artist, Heart, Carlisle. Oh, isn't he sweet? I love him so much. This is my treasure, like my treasure. I don't want to mess it up. I got these at this year's convention. This year I got more pink box from 80s or early 90s. I really like those era, you know. Maybe it's just because I was born in 1981. I got it. So now I have to unscrew them. I painted this side of wall after I cook this. So if I take this shelf off, there's a white part remain. So I have to paint. Here's my favorite power drill. You know, I'm getting better with using this. Okay. Oh my god, it's like weightlifting. Whew. Oh my god, look, I told you I was so lazy when I painted this side of wall. I painted the wall with having this shelf, so that's why it still looks like I still have wall shelf there. Crazy. But don't worry, I'm gonna paint this time. One more. I don't want to mess them up, so I put my Barbie fashionistas here. Okay, let's paint here quick. When I paint this much, I mean a little amount, I don't even use roller, but I use this sponge foam brush. Okay, I paint this quick. No. Now I do the second coat. Okay, it's good. Now it's dry, so I can put this. Make a hole with drill. So excited. I put the anchor. I'm like sweating. So hot. Almost. もうちょっと頑張れついた Okay, let me put some Barbie doll. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Mosquito Barbie is too big. What do you think? Yeah, they definitely look thinner and compact. Yeah, I love it. I totally do. I love it. Okay, let's put one more there. It's getting tired actually, but also fun. Look how it looks like. Oh my god, I'm so happy with this result. Like I could put more doors, but it looks even more compact. And I can see more pink. I mean the part of the wall. It's just so perfect. I love it. Yeah, I really recommend this clear acrylic bookshelf for displaying Barbie dolls. It's just so heavy, so when you put it on the wall, it's kind of hard. But remember, don't ask Ken. We can do this Barbie doll. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.